Is Chainlink a safe haven with regards to avoiding a whole lot of volatility? Is Chainlink going to break the $9 resistance? And are we going to end up going to about $18? Are we going to end up making 100% profit? If we do that, then the price of Link is obviously going to be trading close to about $18. The current market cap of Link is 2.9 billion US dollars. The 24-hour volume is about 860 million US dollars. However, the past few weeks have been very, very good to all of us. I'm sure you guys have been amazing. You guys have been doing tremendously well due to the fact that everybody has been making, or rather earning, cryptocurrency gains left to right, me due to the center and all that good stuff. However, yesterday was a little bit problematic because we did experience this drastic, nasty dump to the downside. However, we ended up being bought back like it was nothing. This thing was like literally eaten up like it was nothing because there's too many people anxious to jump into this particular train, and a lot of people have been wondering, like, where the hell was I? I mean, I have been personally wondering where the hell was I when the price of Link was literally around 50 cents. And look at what has happened to this particular cryptocurrency. And with regards to decentralized finance, Chainlink is obviously the prince of DeFi. Of course, we've got the king, the numero uno. Ethereum is the king of decentralized finance, and I'm sure nobody can even argue with me. So anyhow, obviously there was quite a number of FUD that a lot of people were dealing with regards to Chainlink, and apparently the Zeus Capital article that was produced a few weeks ago, obviously that FUD has been sort of rectified, and people are beginning to sort of get over all that FUD, and people are anxious to see the price of Link cross the resistance. And basically what I'm trying to say is that nice try, Zeus Capital. Thank you for that FUD, and apparently people are over it, and this is one of the reasons why we're going to see the price obviously getting to propel and just go to a whole new level. And if you take a look at what has been happening, right, obviously we experienced the Zeus Capital FUD right over here, and to be honest, the market was even overbought. So we had to have like some sort of retracement where the prices had to like go back to the downside in order for them to gain a little bit of momentum, because the markets are made up of cycles. However, the drop wasn't really that drastic. We only budged a little. As you can see, we obviously came from about, close to about $9, and then we reached as low as $6.52. And if you take a look at that, right, that's obviously a 3% price correction. Do correct me in case I'm wrong. And that just really means that people are excited to go to the moon. And are we going to end up breaking this particular resistance right over here? I really think we are about to smash it, because we're not really going to have like a major black swan event due to the fact that America is going to be having their elections in November. And if you guys know the type of ego that Donald Trump has, he's got a much larger ego in comparison to Kanye West. And Kanye West is the most egotistic human being there is. So obviously these guys are not going to let the world experience a financial crisis. So if we are indeed going to have a financial crisis, it's obviously going to be after February 2021. So this is obviously one of the reasons why I really believe that cryptocurrency markets are going to be having, or rather experiencing, price explosions due to the fact that the regular markets, the traditional markets, are going to be very stable. And if you look at different assets such as gold and silver, they have been doing tremendously well because people are beginning to slide into gold and other, safe havens out there. So when it comes to cryptocurrencies, right, obviously decentralized finance is a very good counterintuitive sort of measure due to the fact that people are able to earn passive income, and there's just overall better incentives for people to sort of hold their tokens and just earn passive income. So basically the token economics as far as decentralized finance is concerned are superb because they really sort of suffocate and just prevent a lot of different tokens to be in circulation, and this therefore increases the demand. The higher the demand is, the better, or rather the more valuable the tokens are going to be, becoming, because they are obviously going to be sought after, and the overall price is going to be going very, very high. So that is obviously like a very good incentive. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe that Chainlink plus a whole lot of decentralized finance projects out there are going to be like a very good safe haven for people who want to earn passive income. Regardless of that, we have to acknowledge the fact that Chainlink is obviously part of the $8 billion market valuation as far as decentralized finance. I mean, if you take a look at the whole entire cryptocurrency market, right, the whole entire cryptocurrency market is subdivided into different niches. There's privacy, there's currencies, and now there's decentralized finance. So obviously the whole total market cap with regards to decentralized finance is having an accumulative total of about $8 billion US, which is pretty good. And Chainlink is actually representing 34.8% of this market decentralized finance portion. So it's actually as high as about 34.8% with regards to having a stake in the DeFi niche when it comes to cryptocurrency markets in total. And DeFi is having about 1.3 billion 24-hour trading volume, which is very good. I'm sure there's a lot of different decentralized finance projects out there that you guys are obviously having a lot of faith in, and Chainlink, DAI are obviously the ones that are doing the most. And there's other projects like Band Protocol plus a whole lot of different ones. So this is one of the reasons why I really want you to list the decentralized finance projects that you are currently holding, and you also have to explain and let the people know why you are investing in those different DeFi projects. Just drop a few sentences, like 3 sentences, explaining why the current, or rather the particular decentralized finance solution that you are holding is better than other decentralized finance projects out there. So just let us know, and then we're obviously going to be part of the Moon Boys who are going to be propelling your particular project to the next level. So this is one of the reasons why you always have to let the people know how valuable and how tremendous your particular decentralized finance project is in comparison to others. Anyhow, we have some other exciting information as far as Chainlink is concerned. On the 28th and the 29th of August, there's going to be like a virtual summit. There's going to be a virtual summit where Sergey Nazarev, who happens to be the co-founder of Chainlink, is going to be, he's going to be one of the speakers, and potentially they are obviously going to announce some very good developmental, things that people are going to be excited about. So is this particular event going to propel, or rather create FOMO with regards to Chainlink? So who knows what's going to happen between now and 28th of August. So I am indeed looking forward to, seeing what's going to be happening. So with regards to Chainlink, we are about to break this particular resistance. I don't really know when exactly, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see in the next coming few weeks, and we'll see. Can we be potentially having like a double top? For example, we had that particular top right over there, and we are having another top. So anything is possible in cryptocurrency markets, and this is one of the reasons why you have to dollar cost average and have a long-term sort of perspective and motive, because if you are investing and willing to cash out in the next coming 2 to 3 years, right, you are obviously going to do very well if you dollar cost average. Let's say you start dollar cost averaging here, right, and then when the price drops to about $2, you add some more funds to your portfolio, then you are obviously going to cumulatively have like a better entry. So if you are here for the long haul, then obviously getting to have some skin in the game is not really like a bad idea. Although I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, and whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. With regards to Chainlink, that's all I had for you, ladies and gentlemen. The other thing is, you just have to be safe. You just have to be safe out there, because people are very unscrupulous and people are willing to take your money. So this is one of the reasons why you have to protect your portfolio like it is your child, because by the end of it all, if you really end up doing the right things, right, you're obviously going to end up being millionaires. So you have to be very greedy. You have to safeguard your profits, and you have to always be prepared in case we're going to have like a black swan event. A black swan event can happen any day. For example, the price of BTC yesterday dropped 10 to 12% in a matter of 5 minutes. Can you imagine what that damage can do to your portfolio if the price of Bitcoin continues to drop at that particular rate for a week? Okay? So cryptocurrencies are extremely crazy. If the price of Bitcoin can drop 10% in 5 minutes, imagine what can really happen to your portfolio if Bitcoin consistently drops by 10% every 5 minutes for the next coming 1 month. All right. I'm not here to scare you. I'm just trying to bring you back to reality because you guys are getting too excited. Remember what we talked about? Always have bullets in the chamber. Whenever we have a black swan event, always get ready to strike. Always get ready to strike. Never ever get stuck in trades. This is one of the reasons why you have to use a stop loss. You have to use very good trading ethics, and you guys are going to be very good to go. You guys are going to be solid. So take care. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Talk to you a little bit later. Bye.